Join us on a captivating journey through the fields as we delve into the art of harvesting nature's finest bounty. From the golden ears of corn to the vibrant dragon fruit and the lush clusters of bananas, watch as skilled hands carefully pick and prepare these fresh, organic fruits right from the source. Discover the beauty and effort behind bringing these delicious treasures from farm to table. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just love the natural world, this short video offers a glimpse into the vital connection between the earth and our plates. Thanks for watching.